Hello, dear learners. This is English for Ethiopia for Greeting, presented by Tesfai. I hope you are ready to explore another exciting lesson for today. Students, let's start the lesson with a quick review of previous lesson, that is the Unit 5 Video 3. Do you remember the previous lesson main or key points? Great. ሰላም እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች? ይህ የአስረኛ ክፍል የእንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ትምህርት ነው። Unit 6 Migration, that is video 1. Lesson topic, listening and others. We'll see maybe 2 or 3 main topics for today, or main lesson for today. If you remember, last time we reviewed main points about the word that is collocation, make and do, and subject verb agreements. Agreement አይተናል. We discussed or we listed different rules based on number of subject and whether it is singular or plural. እሱን እንግዲህ በተለያየ ቶፒክ አይተናል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ ሳብጀክቱ ፕሉራል ከሆነ ቨርቡ ፕሉራል ይሆናል፣ ሳብጀክቱ ሲንጉላር ከሆነ ቨርቡ ሲንጉላር ይሆናል ብለን አይተናል። Another one is the difference between using make and do. For example, when in production or when we make something exist or cause something, we use make, or we can use make. For example, we make coffee, or he makes me happy. For example, he makes me happy. Cause something to happen የሚለውን አይተናል ማለት ነው። ኤክሰፕሽናል ደግሞ የሆኑትን with example explain አድርገናል። Another one is when you talk about a paragraph, there is a topic sentence. Topic sentence can be placed at the beginning or at the end of the sentence, or maybe in the middle, or maybe two times, beginning and the end. But mainly in common usage, topic sentence can be found at the beginning of the paragraph. It carries the main idea of the paragraph. So when you get to the topic sentence, simply the next sentence is going to be supporting maybe examples, illustrations ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ወይም classifications ሊሆን ይችላል። ግን አንድ paragraph topic sentence a single sentence no, but the main idea of that paragraph is stated in that single sentence. Today we'll see Unit 6 Migration. Means let's keep building our knowledge together for today as usual. Migration, Unit 6. This is video 1 of Unit 6. What are the unit objectives? In unit subtopic ከማየታችን በፊት ወደ listening ከመምጣታችን በፊት what are the objectives? They should listen to expository text from a spoken source and extract specific information. እስከ ዛሬ ከምናደርገው ሊስኒንግ በተለየ ይሄ ስፔሲፊክ ኢንፎርሜሽን ነው ፊልም እናደርገው፣ ሌላ ሀሳብ አይደለም። ሌሎች ጥያቄዎች ላይኖሩ ይችላሉ፣ ግን አዳምጠን ያን ጋፕ ፊሊንግ መሙላት ነው እና ያለን examine the existing reality in the country Ethiopia, in particular in Africa in general, in connection to migration, and reflect the possible solution. Migration እንግዲህ ስደት ነው አይደል? So what are the possible solutions to stop migration? Use the words you learn it from the listening passage into your everyday communication. እንግዲህ everyday communication ላይ ልንጠቀም እንችላለን እዚህ የተማርናቸውን። ሌላው pronunciation አለ፣ እሱን በተደጋጋሚ አናየውም። እንግዲህ once I told you the technique how to practice pronunciation, you can practice it. Talk about the root causes of migration, read, infer, analyze, and evaluate different information discussed in the passage. So, familiarize yourself with the selected words from the passage and use them in expressing yourself እንግዲህ ወርዶችን ከዛ እናያለን። አለፍ አለፍ እያለን Familiarize yourself with the clothes or purpose and use them in instructing in constructing correct sentences. Purpose clause የምንላቸው አሉ። እነሱን እናያለን። Summarize the longer text following the guidelines. በጣም ረጅም የሆነ ቴክስት ሲኖር በእናንተ እንዴት አድርጋችሁ ታሳጥሩታላችሁ የሚለው እናያለን። Acquaint yourself with the spelling rule of EI and IE. Pluralization IES እሱን የምንመለከት ይሆናል። These are the general objectives of the unit, that is unit 6. Unit 6 ኦብጀክቲቮች ናቸው ማለት ነው። Now let us explore today's lesson. እንግዲህ ዛሬ የምንማማረው የመጀመሪያው ሊስኒንግ ነው። ሊስኒንግ አዳምጠን ዲጋ ለምሳሌ ሊስኒንጋችሁ ላይ ጋፕ አለው። ጋፑን መሙላት ብቻ ነው ማለት ነው። at the same time vocabularies ይኖራሉ፣ እነሱን እናያለን። hope all of you are ready to see the listening. እንግዲህ ጋፕ ፊሊንግ ብቻ ነው። ሌላውን ዳሹ ላይ ሲደርስ እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ቴክስት አነብላችኋለሁ። አሁን አንድ ላይ እናነባለን። According to Human Rights Watch report 2018, Ethiopians who are undertaking the perilous, what does perilous means? Vocabulary እያየን So Ethiopians, they are undertaking the perilous journey. What a perilous means, dangerous or risky የሆነ ጉዞ ያደርጋሉ። You can take the vocabulary meaning at the same time. That is the meaning of perilous. By boat across the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, encounter exploitation and torture in Yemen by a network of trafficking groups. They also bump up with the abusive bump up. Increase after increase doing harm, you know. Bump up all means abusive prison conditions in Saudi Arabia before being forcibly deported back to Addis Ababa. እንግዲህ አዲስ አበባ ዲፖርት ከመደረጋቸው ከመመለሳቸው በፊት የሚደርስባቸውን ያሳያል። Don't forget our focus is at the same time to get feeling. Authorities in Ethiopia, Yemen, and Saudi Arabia have taken few measures to curb the violence the migrants face, to reduce abuses perpetrated by their own security forces. What does perpetrated means? Let's see. Perpetrated by their own security forces. What does mean? Perpetrated ይደረጋሉ በራሳቸው security force ይላል ምንባባችን። So what does perpetrated by their own security forces, what does mean according to the context? So to carry out illegal act ማለት ነው። illegal act በራሳቸው security force ሳይቀር እዚህ ጋር ይህንን ስታዩት perpetrated means to commit or to make something illegal. Many Ethiopians who hoped for a better life in Saudi Arabia face unspeakable dangers along the journey. እንደው ሊነገሩ የማይችሉ አደጋን ያሳልፋሉ, including death at sea, torture, መገረፍ, and all members of abuses, and said Flex Howard, a senior African researcher at Human Rights Watch. According to the interview the above organization conducted with the humanitarian workers and diplomats working on Ethiopia's migration related issues about now. This is their turn to gap filling. አሁን gap filling ላይ ነው የምናተኩረው። አዳምጣችሁ እንደምትሞሉ ተስፋ አድርጋለሁ. Good. So about 260,000 an average of 10,000 Persians. Have you listened well? Were deported from Saudi Arabia to Ethiopia between May 2017 and March 2019, and the deportation have continued up to the present despite the worst life. The worst life is still they lead in their own country. እንግዲህ በራሳቸውም ሀገር worst የሆነ life ያሳልፋሉ ነው የሚለው according to the passage. As the data from the interview indicate, 11 of the interview out of 12 confirmed that those migrants who had been deported to Ethiopia were found engaging themselves into illegal economic activities. Themselves, I'll repeat, illegal economic activities. አሁን ጋፑን እየሞላችሁ number 1 ተናግሬያለሁ. number 2 illegal economic activities such as smuggling and trafficking network that are regionally linked across Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia, semi-autonomous Puntland state, the self-declared autonomous state of Somaliland, Yemen, and Saudi Arabia. እንግዲህ በእነዚህ ውስጥ እንደሆነ ወንጀል የሚፈጸም ያሳያል. Let's review quickly. Traffickers outside of Ethiopia, particularly in Yemen, often use violence or treaties to put the migrants' family members or their contacts into stressful situation. In his further explanation, that is the researcher, one of the respondents said there were 180 people in the boat. 180 እንግዲህ ይሄን ያክል ሰው ነበረ በጀልባው ላይ, but 25 died according to the researcher, the respondent. The boat was in trouble and the waves were hitting it. It was overloaded and about to sink. ሊሰምጥ ነበር እንግዲህ ይሄን ያክል ስላሉት። ስለዚህ so the broker picked some out and threw them into the sea. ስለዚህ 25 የሞቱት ጀልባዋ ከምትሰምጥ ብሎ ደላላው ምን አደረገ? የተወሰነቱን ወደ ባህር እንደጣላቸው። It's shocking አይደለም? Anyways, number 3, those who had arrived in Yemen, the interviews explain almost all Ethiopian migrants were captured by traffickers. They were physically assaulted. What does assaulted means? Assaulted means violent. You can say violent physical attack. ይደርስባቸዋል according to the context. እንግዲህ according to the context, most of the Ethiopian who were there physically assaulted, and diga ልታዩት ትችላላችሁ assaulted here, ለዛ ነው a violent physical attack, and were compelled. Now are you ready to fill the gap, learners? Good. And were compelled to extort payments, from family members or contacts in Ethiopia or Somalia. In many cases, the relatives of the captives sold assets such as houses or land. Sold assets such as houses or land. Sold assets such as houses or land. Have you recorded? Record አረጋችሁ? በጣም ጥሩ. Another one is here is compelled ሲል ምን ማለታችን ነው? compelled ቮካብላሪ እያየን እንሄዳለን። compelled ነው። double l አይደለም፣ ፓስት ሲሆን compelled ይሆናል። what does mean? ትርጉሙን እናያለን። compel means to force to force someone to do something, to do something to do something ማለታችን ነው። compel. Another vocabulary will begin for you. Let's see. In many cases, the relativity of the captives የሚለውን አየን። the relativity of the captives sold assets such as houses or land ብለናል። Payment to obtain the ransom money after paying the traffickers or escaping. The migrants eventually made their own wars to the Saudi-Yemen border, crossing in rural and mountainous areas. At this time, the Saudi border guards fired at them. Fired at them and killed and injured others. Killed and injured. Fired at them. Killed and injured others. እንግዲህ ሌሎቹም ጉዳት ይደርስባቸዋል። Others crossing at the same time and that they saw dead bodies along the crossing routes. እንግዲህ crossing route ላይ የሰው ሞት የተለመደ ነው ማለት ነው according to the context። እንግዲህ እነዚህ ቮካብላሪዎች ናቸው። አሁን እስኪላችሁን በደንብ አዳብራችኋል ብዬ አስባለሁ። አምስቱንም አዳምጣችሁ እንደሞላችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። Activity 6.3, be in group of 5 and read the question given below. Very carefully collect the necessary information from the individuals concerned in the form of interview or questionnaire and then report your answer to the whole class. Ethiopia is naturally endowed in country with its enormous resources that can even be used by other African countries. ብዙ ሪሶርስ እንዳላት ያሳያል ኢትዮጵያ ማለት ነው። In contrary to this, a lot of citizens decide to migrate to different countries. ይሄ ሁሉ ያላት ብዙ ዜጎቿ ወደ ውጭ ለመሄድ ያስባሉ ይላል። Especially to the Middle East countries experience a number of hardship and loss of their life. ህይወታቸውን ያጣሉ። What correct measures do you think can reduce this irritating situation? ይህ በጣም የሚያበሳጭ ነገር እንዴት አድርገን እንቀንሰው? That's the question to you. You can discuss with your friends. ጓደኞቻችሁ ጋር ምን ልታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ? ዲስከስ ልታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። I hope you are successful in complete. ይሄ completing information የምንለውን ነገር ምንድነው? ስፔሲፊክ ኢንፎርሜሽን ነው የሚባለው። ይሄ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ጥያቄዎችን ሙሉ ለመመለስ፣ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ ስፔሲፊክ ኢንፎርሜሽን እንደዚህ ዓመተ ምህረት አንዳንድ ቃሎችን ልንሞላ እንችላለን። ስለዚህ አሁን አምስት ካገኛችሁ you are successful. Still, if you are not, you may practice in the next consecutive units and listening text. ይህም ብቻ አይደለም፣ ሌሎች ነገሮችን ለምሳሌ በእንግሊዝኛ የሆኑ ነገሮች ስታዳምጡ የራሳችሁ ሀሳብ መውሰዳችሁን አንዳንድ ጊዜ ተረድተን ልናብራራው እንችላለን። አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ ስፔሲፊክ የምንፈልጋትን ነገር ብቻ መውሰድ። ለምሳሌ ዛሬ የምንፈልጋት ጋፕዋን ብቻ ነው፣ ዳሽዋን። ስለዚህ እንደዛ ፕራክቲስ አድርጉ። ኔክስት there is pronunciation, practicing pronouncing vowels. እነዚህ ቫውሎችን እንግዲህ ዲፍታንግስ ባለፈ አይተናል። ግን ይሄንን እንዴት ነው የምናደርገው? ኢቨን በላንጉጅ ላብ ያስፈልጋል አንዳንድ ጊዜ። ግን ደግሞ ዲክሽነሪ በማየት እነዚህ ምልክቶች ኢንተርናሽናል ፎኔቲክ አልፋቤት ወይም IPA የሚባለውን ማየት ነው። ዲክሽነሪ ላይ ትልልቅ ዲክሽነሪዎች አሉ፣ ወይም ስልካችሁ ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል ኦር ሃርድ ኮፒ፣ እሱ ላይ ፕራክቲስ ልታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ላስምርላችሁ እና እንዴት አድርገን ፕራክቲስ እንደምናደርገው። ሎክ ገርል በፎኔቲክ አልፋቤት ይሄ ነው። እዚች ጋር G3R ስሪ ትመስላለች፣ ግን ገ ይቺ ነች። ገር እንደዚህ ብለን የምናነበው። ኤኒዌይስ you can practice በማንበብ የምትለማመዱት ነው ማለት ነው። talking about cause and effects cause and effects ስናወራ ምን ብለናል ባለፈ ምክንያትና ውጤትን ስናያይዝ አሁን ከሊስኒንግ ወጥተናል ቮካብላሪ ያየን cause and effect cause and effect cause and effect sentence ላይ እናያለን ማለት ነው so when we talk about cause and effect because okay because since I've owning to ነው due to እነዚህ ምንድን ናቸው therefore እነዚህ አሁን ሌሎቹን ደግሞ ለየብቻ እንጻፋቸው therefore so is caused by is caused by another one is other results as a result እነዚህ የመሳሰሉት ምንድን ናቸው consequently thus የምንለው thus thus የመሳሰሉት hence ce hence 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 እንደገና ልጻፍላችሁ እዚህ ጋር sorry yeah hence hence and the like so እነዚህ ምንድን ናቸው the express result ናቸው result or effect ውጤትን ነው የሚገልጡት እነዚህ ደግሞ reason ነው የሚገልጡት that means cause የኛው cause ነው የሚገልጠው cause okay cause ነው እስኪ በደንብ ይዋቸውና ፕራክቲስ እናደርጋለን owning to on account of due ለምሳሌ ዲጋ የተገለጹት ምንድናቸው because of ስትራክቸራቸው ሊለይ ይችላል of ምንድናቸው cause ነው የሚገልጹት and therefore so is caused by the result consequently thus they describe result or effectን ይገልጻሉ ማለት ነው በደንብ ይዋቸው እነዚህን let me show you one example the man were wounded seriously so they took him to hospital እዚህ ጋር እስኪ እንመልከተው the man were wounded seriously ሰውየው በጣም ቆስሏል so they took him to hospital ሰው የሚለው ምንድነው የገለጸልን እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት ሰው ይሄ ማለት ነው ሰው ሪዛልቱን እናያብራለን so what happened wounded ሆኗል ወይም ቆስሏል so they took him to hospital this is the result cause ምንድነው why they took him to hospital because he was wounded because ብለን ነው since as he was wounded owning to becoming wound በነገራችን ላይ due to harmful effects or owning to his wound ነው የምንለው ሙሉ ሰብጀክት ቨርብ አይኖርም ዲጋ ፍሬዝ ነው የሚሆነው due to owning to ከሆኑ ሰብጀክት ቨርብ ሳይሆን እንደሚሆነው ፍሬዝ ነው የሚሆነው let's see here in instruction read the short dialogue given below and complete the spaces with one of the discourse markers በነገራችን ላይ እነዚህ ምን ብለን እንጠራቸዋለን ሌላም ስም አላቸው don't worry about the name anyways they are called discourse markers listed as correctly being in pairs. Do you think that flexibility is important to have a quality life still in the modern world? Belaina? Yes, of course, because if you አስፈላጊ ነው ምክንያቱም ምንድን ነው because if you are a flexible person ወይም ደግሞ ሁለገብ ከሆነ ወይም ደግሞ ድርቅ የማይል ከሆነ you adjust yourself with existing realities so that adjust ታደርጋለህ ሪያሊቲ ጋር flexible መሆን አለብህ ከዛ በኋላ ምን ይፈጠራል so that your decision become dependent on current evidences decision በከረንት በሆነ ነገር ላይ ወይም በሚገጥምህ ነገር ላይ ሊፈጸም ይችላል ይላል Bank I hear sometimes people think flexibility eroded the firm standard person that help him or her cope with the challenges. Yeah, not at all. You think flexibility and having fecal position are different. Do you understand when you are flexible, your decision fit into the reality to your access. Consequently, እያለ ይቀጥላል ማለት ነው so ይሄንን you can practice አድርጉት migration in Ethiopia now we are going to read the passage again from the textbook as usual you are expected to record vocabularies record እናደርጋለን and we'll see the meaning of the words listed in the passage here below the passage. Before reading the passage, discuss the question given below in a think, pair, and share mode. ጥያቄዎችን መልሱ ነው የሚለው እዚህ ጋር የተወሰኑ ጥያቄዎች አሉ ፓሴጁን ከመጀመራችን በፊት ማለት ነው a number of economists have been witnessing that Ethiopia is a country with a rich natural resource እንዲህ እያለ ይቀጥላል utilized ግን አልሆነም for some reasons contrary to that fact the number of Ethiopian irregular migrants is growing from one time to time alarmingly we also hear that they have been facing different challenges that go up loving their lives as students what possible solution ምንድነው ብላችሁ ታስባላችሁ solution Ethiopia have full resource in contrary when opposite በሚሆን መንገድ ግን a lot of dealer of Ethiopia or citizens of Ethiopia are migrating to Middle East especially what's the solution do you think that all graduates from university should be employed in a governmental organization ከዩኒቨርሲቲ የተመረቀ ሁሉ ገቨርንመንት ቢሮ መመደብ አለበት ብላችሁ ታስባላችሁ This is a question. You may get the answer in the passage or may not. Let's see the passage together. Activity 6.7. Read the passage below and carefully. Read the passage below carefully and individually, and then answer the question that come next to it in full sentences. ጥያቄዎችን መመለስ ይኖርብናል። እስኪ አንድ ላይ እንየው ምንባቡን በፍጥነት እናያለን. Good job. Let's see the reading. There's we'll see. It's there reading. Let's see reading. We'll see vocabularies mainly. Vocabulary, በዋናነት የምንመለከተው ከዚህ ምንባብ. I hope you will be rich of vocabularies. Once you record more and more words from reading text, you improve your communication skill, reading skill, understanding ቴክስቶችን በደንብ አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው ዋንስ ሪዲንግ ላይ ወይም የተለያዩ ነገሮች ላይ ቮካብላሪ በደንብ እውቀቱ ሲኖረን ማለት ነው ጥያቄዎች እንዳሉ ነው በዋናነት ቮካብላሪ ሪከርድ እናደርጋለን ቦልድ የሆነውን ወይም ደመቅ ብሎ የተጻፈውን ጥያቄ ላይ ስላለ አናየውም ሌሎች እንግዳ ነገሮች ካሉ ከዚህ ውጪ ሆኑ አንድ ላይ እናያቸዋለን ማለት ነው good don't forget read the passage below carefully and answer questions it says there is a consensus on consensus means agreement እኛው ጋር ምን ማለታችን ነው? consensus means agreement ማለታችን ነው። agreement, this is the meaning of consensus. The urgency and importance of addressing the root causes of migration at global level in general and in the context of Ethiopia in particular. አስቸኳይ መፍትሄ ይፈልጋል። In this regard, the economic and political violence, ecological degradation, drought, and human rights abuses have their own contribution. ጦርነት ይሄ ምንድነው? የፖለቲካ አለመግባባት ያው እሱ ደግሞ ጦርነትን ይፈጥራል። ድርቅ፣ ረሃብ፣ አቢዩዝ የመሳሰሉት ኮዝ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። Contribution in expanding the number of Ethiopian migrants, lack of decent livelihood. Another one is lack of decent livelihood. Okay, ይሄኛው አንዱ ኮዝ ሊሆን ይችላል። The cause you can underline here. Decent livelihood and employment opportunities are identified as the main driving force. ዋናነት እነዚህ ናቸው። mainly due to difficulties. To make livelihood here in the country, thousands of Ethiopians have taken migration as the last solution over the past decade. እንግዲህ እንደ መፍትሄ ይወስዱታል livelihood ወይም ኑሮን ለመደጎም ሲባል in the past decade. They travel by boat over the Red Sea and then by land through Yemen to Saudi Arabia and neighboring Gulf states. These are favored destinations because of the availability of employment. እንግዲህ employment ስላለ favored destination ናቸው. Studies show that most of the immigrants travel irregularly and do not have legal status when they reach Saudi Arabia. Because of this, most of them are treated inhumanly. በጣም የሚያሳዝን ቃል ነው አይደል? inhumanly እንግዲህ በአረቦች ነው። inhumanly means in a cruel way, በጣም አስጸያፊ በሆነ መንገድ cruel way ወይም ክፉ በሆነ መንገድ ማለት ነው። inhumanly, and sometimes even they are killed brutally. ምንድነው? በጭካኔ ይገደላሉ። brutal harsh እንደማለት ነው። ክሩል እና ብሩታል አንድ ናቸው፣ ግን ብሩታል እጅግ በጣም ክፉ ጭካኔ እንደማለት ነው። When they are prone to such attack and mistreatment, it is not only they who suffer in the consequence, but also the country loses its respect and integration. ሀገራቱ ደግሞ ያው ክብራቸውን ያጣሉ። እንግዲህ ሀገር ማለት ሰው ነው በሚለው the government of Ethiopia imposed a ban on migration to the Middle East in 2013. እንግዲህ እገዳ ጥለው ነበር ይላል። The law, however, has not helped the government to reduce the problem. ግን ምን አላደረገም? ከችግሩ አላዳነውም ይላል። ያው ህገወጥ መንገድ ስላለ. Rather, it has increased the number of migrants using irregular means to cross borders. For instance, in January, እንዲህ ያለ ያው መጠኑን ይናገራል. Over the past decade, the employment in Ethiopia has showed significant progress ይላል። እንግዲህ ላለፉት 10 ዓመታት እንግዲህ ዲኬድ የሚለው 10 ዓመት መሆኑ ነው። ጥሩ ነው፣ ለውጥ አለው ይላል according to the passage. However, ensuring full productive employment poses a challenge in both the rural and urban area of the approximately 3 million young Ethiopians entering in the labor force every year due to different constraints that hamper the economic progress of the country. እንግዲህ የሀገሪቱን የኢኮኖሚ ፕሮግረስ አፌክት እስከሚያደርግ hamper ማለት what is hamper according to the context? Let me write hamper እዚህ ጋር ምን ይላል? that hamper ነው የሚለው አይደለ? so hamper means hinder, ወደኋላ ያስቀረው እንደማለት ነው። hinder or delay, that's the meaning. hamper, the meaning of the word hamper. constraint that hamper the economic progress of the country. ወደ ኋላ እንዲቀር ያደረገው እንደማለት ነው hamper. You can see the context. As a result, the number of Ethiopians who moved to capital cities in the country and other urban areas in search of job opportunities growing from time to time. ወደ ከተማ ፍሰቱ ያሳያል. Alarmingly, after the inter cities, they often participate in informal economic activities. እንግዲህ ኢንፎርማል በሆኑ የንግድ እንቅስቃሴዎች ውስጥ እንደሚገቡ ያሳያል. which serves as a stepping stone of migration outside the country. እንግዲህ እዚህ ጋር ነው የሚጀምረው. when there is a challenge in cities, they decide to flow to other countries. Despite the economic progress achieved in the last decade, ምንም እንኳ የኢኮኖሚክ ስኬቶች ቢኖሩም ይላል according to the passage, there has not been sufficient and adequate job creation and placement for the young people. በቂ የሆነ ስራ እድል የለም. While access to education increased over the past years, ironically, the number of unemployed educated youth has also increased. Ironically, what does that ironically means? Unprecedented rate. Evidences show that in contemptible number. What does mean? Highlight እናርገውና what does mean? So incontemptible means not deserving. Old English ነው በነገራችን ላይ not deserving የማይመጥን ቁጥር. So evidence shows that an incontemptible number of the young, including those graduated from universities with degrees, rarely have been engaged in decent job or livelihood. They are seen in doing a piece of work that are not compatible with their professional knowledge or jobs. ምንም እንኳ ከዩኒቨርሲቲ ቢመረቁም ሙያቸውን የሚመጥን ስራ አይሰሩም ነው የሚለው according to the passage. This is the reality. So reports show that job scarcity in the country has also resulted the severe problem. Severe በጣም harsh የሆነ እንደማለት ነው. The economy of the country due to their desperation in getting decent jobs. Here in the country, a large number of youth have chosen to engage themselves in the illegal economic activities such as smuggling or contraband. እንግዲህ ህገወጥ ዝውውር ላይ ይሳተፋሉ ይላል. Over and above, they are seen working with limited social protection እንዳለ ነው. ማህበራዊ ዋስትና ያላቸውም. Evidence still at 71% of the population in the country is under the age of 30, which is regarded as a productive forces, even though no work opportunity. እንግዲህ እንዲህ ያልን እንጨርሰዋለን. We understand from the literature that those countries which do not have half Ethiopia's natural resource have achieved huge economic progress. የኢትዮጵያን ግማሽ ያክል እንኳ ሀብት የሌላቸው ኢኮኖሚክ ፕሮግረስ አቺቭ አድርገዋል ይላል. Thus, how? And by whom should this puzzle be solved? ይህ እንቆቅልሽ የሚፈታው እንዴት ነው ይላል ፓሴጁ. What is the solution according to your point of view? According to the information in the passage, what are the most pressing problems that force Ethiopians to immigrate to other countries irregularly? ምንድን ነው ገፊ ምክንያቶቹ ምንድን ናቸው? እንግዲህ violence, drought, እዚህ ጋር ለምሳሌ decent livelihood, opportunities of job የመሳሰሉት, land ecological degradation እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት እነዚህ ገፊ ምክንያቶች ናቸው. ሌሎችን እናንተ ስሯቸው አንድ ላይ. let's see the vocabulary. አብዛኛው vocabulary bold የሆነው ነው. Abuse, what does abuse means? Abuse, what does it mean? Let's see the meaning here. The first one, abuse. What does abuse mean according to the paragraph abuse vocabulary. Let's see vocabulary abuse. The first one, abuse. Number one, abuse. Abuse means treat badly በማይሆን መንገድ አላግባብ መጠቀም treat badly በማይሆን ሁኔታ አንድን ሰው መንከባከብም ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም ደግሞ ሰርቪስ መስጠት አቢዩዝ ነው የምንለው። livelihood number 2 ወርዱ ላንጽፈው እንችላለን። livelihood it means bread ነው ባጭሩ የመኖር ጉዳይ bread livelihood bread and butter ይሉታል እንዳጠቃላይ እንደ ጀነራል ኔም ማለት ነው። so bread and butter, especially eating something, can be said livelihood. What does impose means enforce ማለት ነው። compel to have according to the contexቱን እንግዲህ መሰረት አድርገን ነው compel to have to behave to behave in a certain way or impose ስንል ጫናም ሊሆን ይችላል። force impose አንዳንድ ጊዜ force የሚል ትርጉም ይኖራል። force impose means force. That's the meaning of impose. Constraints means that means shortage, limitation, shortage ወይም limitation time constraint የጊዜ እጥረት ልንል እንችላለን። what does ironically means አንዳንድ ጊዜ ምጸት ነው። አይረን ማለት በነገራችን ላይ ያው ምጸት ነው በትክክለኛው የስነ ጽሁፍ ትርጉም፣ ግን indirect meaning ማለት ነው። indirect meaning ውስጣዊ ራይ ሆነ ወይም በተቃራኒው እንደማለት ነው። indirect meaning or opposite ለማለት ነው። opposite አሽሙር የሆነ አይነት ነገር በተቃራኒው እንደማለት ነው according to the context. okay unprecedented ይሄ ባለፈው አይተናል። unprecedented means something strange ሊሆን ይችላል። strange or unfeasible ቀጣይነት ያለውም ሊሆን ይችላል። unfeasible which continues ተከታታይ የሆነ ነገር unprecedented እንላለን። compatible that go together, align or go together አብሮ የሚሄድ ነገር align የሚያደርግ እንላለን። okay number 8 desperation means become hopeless ማለት ነው። number 8 desperation, you can see desperation become 8 hopeless ተስፋ መቁረጥ desperation ፍርሃት። smuggling means legal economic activity with illegal የሆነ economic activity smuggling. number 10 or the last one, endowed. Ethiopia is endowed with natural resource ካለን gifted ናት ለማለት ነው። gifted now let's see እነዚህን ካየን ኢትዮጵያ is endowed with nature ካለን የታደለች ናት። Ethiopia is endowed with nature, but in opposite many of the people migrate outside the country. This is endowed gifted ለማለት ነው። let's see አሁን ደግሞ ቀጣይ ያለውን ቶፒክ እንመለከታለን ማለት ነው። Good job. Word formation now. Word formation. እነዚህን እናያለን። Word formation. Compound. Word is compounding. I'm sorry. Compounding. Word is with hyphen. ሃይፈን በመጠቀም ወርዶችን ወይም አብረው የሚሄዱ ወርዶ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ሃይፈን አድርገን የምንጠቀማቸው ወርዶች አሉ። let's see the example እናይና ጥያቄዎች እዚህ ጋር አሉ እንሰራለን። ትክክለኛ የትኛው ነው የሚለው for example check in. Let me show you clearly here. check in ለአውሮፕላን ብዙ ጊዜ ቼክ ኢን እንላለን። ቼክ አውት ሃይፈን መካከል ላይ ነው የምናስቀምጠው። ቼክ አውት ማዘር ኢንላው ይሄ ዝምድናን የሚገልጽ ወርድ ነው። ማዘር ኢንላው እነዚህ ኮምፓውንድ ወርዶች ናቸው። ሎንግ ተርም ብዙ ጊዜ አንጠቀመውም፣ ግን በትክክለኛው በእንግሊዝኛ አጻጻፍ ሎንግ ተርም ሲጻፍ ሎንግ ተርም እንደዚህ ነው፣ በመካከል ሃይፈን አለው። እነዚህ ኮምፓውንድ ወርድ ብለን ፓርት ታይም የትርፍ ሰዓት ስራ የሚሰራ ሰው ምን ተብሎ ይጠራል? ፓርት ታይም ወይም ፓርታይመር እንላለን። ፓርት ታይም እችን እንደዚህ ለሰውየው ሲሆን ፓርታይመር ነው የምንለው። ፓርታይመር when you pronounce ያው ስናነበው እንደዛ ነው የሚሆነው። well known I'm sorry when you see the up to date በጣም በቅርብ የሆነ ነገር ምን እንላለን? up to date እንላለን። ኦኬ commander in chief or commanders in chief ልንል እንችላለን። editor in chief well-being መሀል ላይ ነው የምንጽፈው። ወረቀታችሁ ላይ ሲሆን መሀል ላይ ነው የምንጽፉት። well-being ሃይፈን ምንድን ነው የሚለውን ያው ስላየን well-being። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ናቸው ትክክለኛዎቹ። በጣም ብዙ ናቸው። brother in law, sister in law, long term, part time, up to date, well-being, check in, check out የመሳሰሉት ኮምፓውንድ ወርድ ይባላሉ። እስኪ ጥያቄውን እንስራ መጽሐፋቸው ላይ እነዚህን ለኤግዛምፕል ያይ ሰልፍ ኮንፊደንስ ፎር ኤግዛምፕል፣ ሰልፍ ስቲም፣ ሰልፍ ኮንትሮል ራስ ሰልፍ ኮንትሮል መካከል ላይ ሃይፈን ያስፈልገዋል። እነዚህ በተለምዶ ያሉ ቃላቶች ናቸው። ሌላ ምናልባት በተለምዶ ዲሲሽን ሜከር፣ ኦል ራውንድ፣ ኤክስ ፕሬዚደንት። ለምሳሌ የቀድሞ ፕሬዚደንት ኤክስ ፕሬዚደንት እንደዚህ ነው የምጽፈው። ፕሬዚደንት እንዲህ እያልን ነው የምንጽፈው። ጥያቄዎችን አሁን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። are you ready? compound words with hyphen. Okay. Question number 1, the commanders in chief anyways ትክክለኛው ይሄኛው the commanders in chief ነው የሚሆነው። ይሄኛው ነው የሚሆነው። okay ቢ ነው የሚሆነው። ይሄኛው ቢ ወይም እንደዚህ እናደርገውና that is B የመጀመሪያው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ the editors in chief ይሄ ነው መልሱ። ይሄን በማጥናት ነው ያው በማየት ነው የምንመልሰው። number 3 B ነው የሚሆነው bed sheet. number 3 B in an international hotel the room are clean and bed sheets are bed sheet. Look, this is the right answer. ይሄኛው ትክክለኛ ነው የሚሆነው። that number 3 it is B. ያ ሃይላይት እናድርገውና እናልፈዋለን። number 4 up to date እዚህ ጋር አይተነዋል። up to date ትክክለኛው number 4 you can say up to date. See, this is the right answer. up to date የሆነ ነገር በጣም የተከለሰ በአሁን በቅርብ የሆነ ነገር up to date ነው የምንለው። ስለዚህ ይመስላል። ነምበር 5 paid 44 paid 44 በነገራችን ላይ ቁጥር ስንጽፍ ሁለት 40 እና 4 ናቸው አይደል? ሃይፈን እንጠቀም በተለምዶ ያው አንጠቀምም በነገራችን ላይ ግን the right English should be like this ትክክለኛው እንግሊዝኛ ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው። ኦኬ ይሄንን በደንብ መያዝ አለብን ማለት ነው። now let's to sum up today's lesson, we have just talked about especially vocabularies and the concept of migration both in listening and reading. Soon ayin, especially dozens of vocabularies from both the listening and the reading passage. Another one is compound words ወይም ጥምር ቃላት የምንላቸው ማለት ነው። ሃይፈን ያስፈልጋቸዋል እነሱን አየን። That is all about today's lesson. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye bye.